Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Magic Talk Show, the education podcast channel that helps students and professionals to build successful career by learning about leadership, management skills, entrepreneurship, and build a growth mindset to stand out in their career journey. In our exclusive series called Kitab Shala, we have creatively curated 7 lessons in 7 minutes from the incredible life transforming books which will put you and your success on fast forward mode. Each nugget of wisdom is like golden key unlocking the doors to personal and professional transformation. This format of 7 lessons in 7 minutes, which help you to digest the toughest lessons learning from the book with fun and joyous experience. Come and join us in this movement. If you want a weekly dose of motivation through self-help books, do follow our Magic Talk Show podcast and press the bell icon to stay updated on our podcast release on every Thursday and Sunday. Also, don't forget to rate our episode if you like it. Today, in this episode, we will uncover a book called Manifest by Roxy Nafousi, whose insights coupled with actionable lessons make this book a valuable companion on the path of self-discovery and manifestation. The book Manifest is like having a friendly guide to help you discover your best self. Imagine it's not just a book, but a treasure map leading you to a life full of meaning and happiness. The author Roxy, who's like a super knowledgeable friend, shares secrets on how make your dreams come true. It's not about magic, it's not about practical tips or wise advices. As a wellness champion and a life coach, his book is like a guide that takes you step by step. You will find nuggets of wisdom on every page, helping you figure out that really matters to you. It's not just word, it's a journey through the book that feels like a conversation with a wise buddy. Here are the 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson 1: Embrace self-love. The author teaches us that loving ourselves is like building a strong base for happy life. She says it's okay to recognize our imperfections because that's what makes us unique. When we accept ourselves, faults are all it's like open door to the real joy and building deep connections with others. It's like saying, hey, I'm not perfect, and that's perfectly fine. Embracing who we are with all the goods and not so perfect stuff is like giving ourselves a big warm hug, creating a foundation for a truly fulfilling and meaningful life. Lesson 2: Cultivate positive habits. Developing good habits is like planting seeds for personal growth. The author suggests doing small positive action regularly, which can bring big changes in the long run. These habits helps build a positive mindset, making it easier to achieve dreams and goals. It's similar to taking small steps every day that adds up to something great. Habits are like the building blocks of success and they empower us to shape our own future. So, by consistently doing positive things, we create a strong foundation for personal development. It's all about the small, consistent efforts that lead to significant and positive transformations over the time. Lesson 3: Set intention. This book emphasizes the importance of setting intention, which means deciding what you want to achieve. It's like creating a map for your life by clearly stating your goals and desires. Setting intentions helps guide your action and concentrate your energy on what truly matters to you. It's similarly to having a plan that directs you towards that life you want to live. By knowing what you want, you pave the way for making choices that align with your dreams. By having a clear destination in mind, it makes easier to stay focused and motivated. Setting intentions is a powerful tool to shape the path forward, the future you desire. Lesson 4: Welcome adjustments. This book teaches us that changes is a natural part of life, something that will happen whether we want it or not. Instead of fighting against it, the author encourages us to accept and welcome those adjustments. It's like going with the flow of life twists and turns. By adapting to the challenges and shift, we can use the power to change our advantage. According to author, it means turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. Welcoming adjustments help us move forward and get closer to our goals. It's a reminder that changes can be powerful force for positive transformation if we approach it with an open mind and a willingness to adapt. Lesson 5: Cherish Thankfulness. This book highlights the importance of cherishing the thankfulness as a repeated message. The author stresses that being thankful can change how we can think and bring positive experiences our way. Practicing gratitude is like having a magic key to unlock more positive perspectives. By being grateful, we learn to value and enjoy the current moment, inviting more good things into our lives. It's like creating and welcoming space for the abundance. Gratitude is a powerful tool to make us more aware of the positive aspects of our lives, fostering happiness and fulfillment. It's a reminder that appreciating what we have can lead to richer and more satisfying life overall. Lesson 6: Trust the process. The author teaches us that patience and trust are crucial in achieving our goals. The author suggests having faith in the journey even when things do not go as planned. It's like believing that everything is unfolding at the right time. Trusting the process means understanding that setbacks are a part and path of the success. It means having confidence that our dreams are coming true in their own time. Patience become a superpower, allowing us to stay calm during the challenges. Trusting the process is a reminder that every step, even the difficult ones, contribute to the unfolding of our dreams in the perfect way. Lesson 7: Foster connections. In this book, the importance of the human connections is highlighted. The author emphasizes the value of building relationships and being around positive influences. It's like creating a supportive network that can boost our journey towards manifesting our dreams. Connecting with others is a way to receive encouragement and grow together. It means having a team that cheers you on. The book suggests that the shared experiences and the positive connections can enhance the manifestation process for everyone. Surrounding ourselves with supportive people becomes a source of strength and inspiration. Fostering connection is a reminder that we do not have to go through the journey alone, and together we can achieve great things. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. We zipped through the key lessons from the book Manifest in under 7 minutes. By the end, you're not just reading a book, you are on a path to living a life that truly fits you. See, I told you, you don't need to be a book expert to enjoy this. We have made it short and sweet in Kitab Shala. In the next episode of Kitab Shala, we will cover insights from the book Outliers, which is a thought-provoking exploration of success, offering valuable lessons for those seeking to understand the dynamics that led to an extraordinary achievements. Thank you.